Hello everyone, welcome back to another AutoCAD practice exercise. In today's video, we will create this mechanical drawing step by step. This exercise is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to sharpen their 2D skill in AutoCAD. So let's get started. Step 1. Start with the base circle. So if you see in the diagram, this one is our base circle. Diameter will be 80. Start by a drawing. Create a circle with a diameter 80. So using C for circle, click on first point. Using D for diameter, 8080. This will be the main base of our drawing. Now step 2. Add the center circle. Now draw a smaller circle at the center with a diameter 20 mm. This one is our center circle. So just create the circle using C, enter, click on the same center point. Using D for diameter 20, press enter. We will also create this notch later. This one is our notch. I will create later, okay? Now step 3, create the outer circular array. If you see in this diagram, this one is our outer circle, okay? We can use this one using array command. If you see, this outer circle have a radius 10 and inner circle radius will be 5. So need to create this one. So just activate circle command using C, enter, click on this coordinate point and choose as a radius 10. Press enter and again create one more circle on same center point using a radius 5. Press enter. Now select both circle, choose as a rotate using RO for rotate command. Click on this point and put a C for copy. Angle will be 45. Press enter. Now again select this circle using RO for rotate and click on this center point and choose same as a copy using C, enter, and put a value as a -45. Press enter. Now step 4, add the notch. We need to create these notch. So we need to understand how to create this one. So first we need to create this one and this one vertically and horizontally using L for line command and put it here just like this one and select this line using RO for rotate. Click on same center point, choose as a C for copy and click it here. Now need to check these two lines, so you also need to verify using L for line command, center point and put a value as a 45 using tab and put a value 45. Press enter. Select this line using MI for mirror. Click on same center point and upside it will be here. Choose as a no. Select this line and these lines. Go to properties and line type it will be center and color will be red. Now create this one. So if you see very carefully, this diameter will be 130. So first we need to create this one using C for circle command. Click on same center point and diameter using D, enter, 130. Press enter. Now need to create as a radius 10. So C for circle, click on this coordinate point and put a radius as a 10. Now put it offset. If you see here 2.5 upside and downside, so need to put offset using O, enter, 2.5. Press enter. Select this line upside and select this line downside. Choose MA to this line to this line. Okay. Now need to trim using TR, enter, T for cutting edge. Select this circle, press enter and trim these lines. Again trim command using trim this one. Select this circle using E for erase and also this one E for erase. TR enter, T for cutting edge, select this circle, press enter, trim this line and this line and select this line, E for erase. We need to add these all notches. So if you see very carefully, just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We need to create as same as 30 times on the circular part. So first you select this one using J for join. Now step 5. Add the teeth around the edges. So we already created this teeth. So select this one using ARRAY array polar. Press enter. Click on this center point and put a value as a number of item 13. Press enter and fill will be 180. Press enter. If you see this one is a upside, we need to create downside. So just click on this direction. If you click on this one, you see the direction will be opposite. Now close this array. Now MA for match, select this line to this circle. Now need to trim, so just extend from this one. For example, select from here to mirror just this one from here. TR double enter, trim this one and this one. Select this line and this line using E for erase. Now step 6, final adjustment. So join all the line where necessary, trim the extra part and make sure the drawing is neat and clean. Use object snap and polar tracking to keep everything aligned properly. If you required, so you can add dimension as per diagram. So using TR double enter, trim this one and see this one and this one. I'm just going to make this one fast forward. Okay, now select all the drawing part except these line. Go to properties, add the line thickness as a 0.30. Now the one step we need to add these notches. So using L for line command and click it here. O for offset, put the offset value as a 22 from this circle to upside. And now using O for offset 1.5, enter. Select this one and this one. Just zoom this one using Z, enter, zoom. MA for match from this one to these two line and this one. Now trim unwanted part using TR double enter. Trim this one and this one, also this one and this one. Now need to trim this one and this one, also this one. Now zoom out and delete all the extra lines and all. Now need to add dimension. I already explained too many times how can you add dimension. For linear command using DLI for dimension linear. For radius using DRA for dimension radius. For diameter using DI for dimension diameter. For angle using DAN for dimension angular command. After add dimension, your drawing looks like that. You can download the project file of this exercise from the link in the description below to practice from your own side. I hope you like this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more AutoCAD exercise. And also consider join the channel to support us and unlock exclusive content. So tata, bye bye, take care.